Hey guys, today we have a 2017 Ford F-250. We're going to be programming add a key on this beautiful truck to get started. Alright, we got this key here ready to go. We're going to go universal key duplication and this 2-track external top tip align, and we're using this one here, M2C clamp, which is that one. Bottom alignment, M2C clamp. Let's put the original key there. Alright, let's go ahead and decode the key and make sure it's connected to the car. Okay, that's decoded. Now we got a cut key. We got a new one there. Cut key, continue. Alright, so we cut the key already. We can test it if it works. It works, spark, lock and unlock with no problem. Let's do it again. It's locked. This is unlocked, no problem. So now what we're gonna do is program the key. It's raining bad right now, look at this. But first thing we're gonna do, this is the original key. As you can see, it will start the car, no problem. Then I'm gonna show you the new key that we just cut. It will not start it because it's not programmed. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and program it. Let's put this key on position. I'll try to put the airbag just in case. I'm in the hazard light on. So we have this. We're using the Autel KM100. Let's close the door so there's no beep going on. And let's go to emo. So the emo, let's check this out. We're gonna go VIN, auto VIN. So we'll figure out which the car is. We don't have to type what kind of car it is. So right now it's Ford. Click Ford, okay. Then that's the VIN number. Press OK. So make sure you put it on position. There you go. Make sure it's on. Car is on, alright. It's a blade key. And then let's go press yes. Then let's go to control unit. Go to immobilizer can. Immobilizer remote control learning. What we're gonna do is add a key. Add a key. Say it will learn the key. Press OK. This procedure will not erase the existing key. Press yes. That's what we want. Insert the key to be learned and turn the ignition to on. So let's remove the original, the working key. Take it out of here and put the one we need to be learned. Put it on position. There you go. Then they press OK. And this one might take, he said, it is normal that the instrument panel turn black when performing. So press yes. So this might turn blank, and they said that's normal. And we gave us a warning for that. And this will take about 3 to 10 minutes, depending how the car communicate with this. No key detected, as you can see. It's doing its job. Now all the sensor, see that? It says all sensor parameters. So we're not pressing anything. All we're gonna do is wait for 3 to 10 minutes. And you might be, that might be alarming for you that you see those. And still doing the security access. See, it turned blank. So that's blank a little bit. There you go. So that's normal. I said that will be normal. They give us a warning for that. Don't panic. So all we gotta do is just wait, because it's still doing the process. Security accessing, please wait. So we're probably like in first 1 minute to 2 minutes. So we're not gonna touch anything. Make sure that that's all being inserted. The key that we need to program is there. So you can see our VCI is still connecting. So that's a good sign that we are communicating to the car. This is the original key that what we have. So as much as possible, don't be pressing anything here. I'm not sure if it will prevent us from programming. We're not gonna open the door, just leave it. Just gonna leave it like that. So we might come back and take a pause for this. But what I said, take a couple minutes to program it until it says that it's completed. All right. Okay. So now the lights came back on again, and there's no key detected. And like you said, learn key number 2. Press OK. That's like within like 4 minutes. Current number key number 2. Key learning fail. No key signal. Do you want to try again? We'll try it again. Let me see if it'll start this one. This one does not detect it. Okay. Let's try it one more time. Let's try it again. Did not detect. Try it one more time. Success. Do you want to learn the next key? So it just went through. All we do is press yes. We're not gonna learn the next one. So this is still the new key. Let me see. There you go. See that? The car started. That's awesome. So what we're gonna do? Try the original key again if you start. There you go. That's the original key. Started. At first it said fail, but we just retried it. Press retry yes, and there you go. That one started. That's less than 5 minutes, guys. That's pretty awesome. So this is supposed to work all the remote as well. This is the lock, unlock, lock, unlock. This is the original one, and this is the new one that we have. Lock, unlock. Perfect, guys. All right, so that's how you program this 2017 Ford F-250 with keyblade. We cut it and program it using the Autel KM100. So you can see this is pretty cool tools, and we can turn this off. Exit this one. So if you have any question, guys, make sure you can just email me and ask me here or comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, guys. Peace.